Shadowsocks is one of the most talked about VPN software out there, but before you make the decision to buy, there are some important things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover the 12 things you should consider before purchasing Shadowsocks, especially when compared to other VPN services. Stick around to the end, as we'll also suggest a solution that might suit your needs even better. First, let's talk about the basics. Shadowsocks is often described as a secure proxy rather than a full VPN. This can be an advantage if you're looking for a lightweight and fast solution. Unlike traditional VPNs, which encrypt all your traffic, Shadowsocks focuses more on bypassing internet censorship while still offering encryption. Next thing you need to know is that it was originally designed for users in China to bypass the Great Firewall. While it's great for evading censorship, this means it doesn't offer as many privacy features as a full VPN, like kill switches or DNS leak protection, which are available with other popular VPNs. The third thing is its setup process. Shadowsocks requires more technical knowledge than typical VPNs. If you're not familiar with configuring proxies, this could be a downside compared to other VPNs with one-click installation and easy-to-use apps. You'll need to either host your own server or use a third-party provider to get started. Moving on, Shadowsocks supports a range of encryption protocols, but it's not as comprehensive as traditional VPNs. While you can choose different ciphers, it's not as simple as just selecting a security level. This can be a pro for advanced users who want control over their setup, but it can be overwhelming for those who want something more straightforward. The fifth thing is performance. Shadowsocks is known for being incredibly fast. Unlike some VPNs, which can slow down your connection due to heavy encryption, Shadowsocks generally offers a more lightweight experience, making it ideal for streaming and gaming. However, depending on your server and setup, performance may vary compared to premium VPNs that offer optimized servers for specific use cases. Next, let's discuss cross-platform support. Shadowsocks works on multiple devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. While it's not as polished as other VPNs, it does have third-party clients that get the job done. If you need seamless experience across all your devices, you might find other VPNs that offer a more refined approach. The seventh thing is security. Shadowsocks doesn't have the same level of security as a full VPN. While it encrypts your internet traffic, it doesn't protect your metadata in the same way traditional VPNs do. So, while it's effective for bypassing censorship, it's not the best choice if your primary concern is total anonymity. The eighth thing to consider is its legality. Shadowsocks is used to bypass internet restrictions, and in some countries, this could get you into trouble. While VPNs also have legal gray areas, Shadowsocks' use case makes it more vulnerable in specific regions, so always check the local laws before using it. The ninth thing is the pricing structure. Shadowsocks is often cheaper than traditional VPNs because it's not a full-featured VPN service. However, depending on your provider, you might still need to pay for a server or third-party service to make it work, which can add to the cost. The 10th point is customer support. Unlike major VPN providers, Shadowsocks doesn't offer round-the-clock customer support. You'll rely on online forums, guides, and community support to troubleshoot any issues. If you value quick professional support, this is something to consider. The 11th thing is privacy. Shadowsocks doesn't keep logs by default, but the level of privacy you get depends on the server provider you choose. Some VPNs have a proven no-logs policy and even independent audits to back it up. Shadowsocks, on the other hand, is more reliant on the trustworthiness of the server provider. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Shadowsocks is a great solution for bypassing censorship, but isn't necessarily the best all-in-one VPN solution. If you're looking for something that combines speed, security, privacy, and a range of features, you might want to consider a more comprehensive VPN service. Shadowsocks can be a great option if you need a fast, lightweight way to bypass internet restrictions. However, if you want a better option that includes more features and better privacy, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.